Meanwhile, at least one of 4 venues will be unavailable when the National Premier League gets underway next month due to other commitments. Here's Denise Walters.
Sabina Park, which was expected to be one of the venues where the National Premier League would be played, will be unavailable. President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, JCA, Wilford Billy Heaven, says unfortunately there will be a clash of events.
Sabina Park will not be available for football this year of any kind because we have started the preparation for the Pakistani tour here. Remember, the Pakistanis come here in Jamaica in August.
Heaven says, with the Pakistanis expected to play 2 test matches at Sabina with the first starting on August 12, there's no way the playing of football can be facilitated.
We are in May now, so we have June and July to prepare the venue. Now, we cannot reasonably play football on it and still be ready for international matches, especially international test match, which is expected to last for 5 days and not deteriorate. So we won't be able to host any football at Sabina Park this time around.
Meanwhile, the PFJL says 4 sanitized venues have been approved. However, contingencies are in place should any issues arise.
National Stadium, Sabina Park are the top 2, are the preferred 2. In the event of a clash in any of those 2, we have 2 backup, which is Stadium East and the Horace Burrell Center, JFF Horace Burrell Center at UWI.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.